Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my previous videos I have explained about the Azure Databricks and give you the bigger picture of the Azure or Databricks platform. I have explained about the workspace, what is notebook, what is cluster, and how to import the data, how to create a cluster, how to create a notebook. Okay, I have given you the bigger picture. So in this, so today's agenda will be we'll query a data from a notebook. So our first step will be we'll create a cluster, and then we'll create a notebook, and then we'll create a table. So this is a syntax for creating a table into a Databricks, and then we'll display the data. Okay, so let's go to the site. At the first let's go to the compute. We need to create a cluster, so create a cluster, and okay, demo, we'll give demo 1. I think okay, like this you need to, okay, since this is a free versions and I can open only one cluster. Okay, so this one I have created previously. If you want to create a, if you are a first time, then you can click on create compute and give a new name to yours and create it. Okay, and then after, our second step is to, what is our second step? Create a notebook, right? So let's go here, create, let's go to compute. No, before that let's import our data. Okay, so let's go to create a table, browse. Okay, this is the data I have, diamond. I'll show you what are the things. So this contains caret, cot, color, clarity, table, price, and colors, xyz, something something. Okay, so it's getting loaded. If you want this data, please comment down. I'll give you, share you the link. Okay, after that, okay, like if you click on create table in notebook, it will automatically write the code for you. So if you are beginners, it's very helpful. So, and it will create a notebook by itself, so it is very useful. Okay, so let's click on create table in notebook. See guys, so like all the codes is already written, right? It's very easy for us, like for new like us. Okay, this is the first like this one will be written into the Python. So file location, file type CSV, inferior schema false, false true is the header. Yes, we provide it's a true, right? True, delimiter is a comma, and this is the syntax to read the data. Okay, read the data, that is CSV file. So display is used to display the data. So let's run it. Okay, it's okay, this notebook is connected to the EatData cluster. Okay guys, see, like this the Spark job will run, and you can see the data over here. Okay, after that we'll create one variable, and we'll give diamond dash 1 CSV. So what will like df create replace, so whatever we are seeing right over here, these values, so previously it is just data frame. Okay, this when you read the data, it is converted into the data frame. Df stands for data frame. Now we'll be converting into a create a replace temp view. So it is a temporary, it's a table. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, invalid view name. It shouldn't be the case. Yeah, now it got open. Okay, and since previously this is we were doing coding into a Python language, right? So if you in between, if you want to change your language into the SQL, you can do it. Since we have already created a temporary table, right? Diamond underscore CSV, you can query in this CC, select star from. So I think, yeah, see, we have created a table. Okay, this is not a data frame, this is a table. Now we need to, we'll save it as a table. Okay, previously it is a temporary table, now we'll save it as a table. Okay, here also mistake. Now let's run it again. Okay, it's running. Okay, job is done. So we'll run this. So you can, in another way to create a table is, you can write this syntax: create table diamonds using CSV option, and here you should give this one. Okay, this one you should give path, and this one should be your file name. Like this also you can create a table. Like there are multiple ways, since it support Java, Scala, Python, SQL, so you can use any one of the language. Previously we have done using a Python. So if you want to use, if you want to create a table using a SQL, you can do in this way. Okay, this is the syntax. I'll provide this slide link into the description section. If you want it, you can reference that. Okay, so since we have already created table, now let's run it. Sorry, diamond, not diamonds, diamond underscore CSV. Now again let's run it. Okay, okay, let's see, select star from diamond underscore CSV. Okay, it's because due to we didn't specify, sorry, we didn't specify the language, that's why it was getting an error. Okay, unsolved relation aggregate colors table or view. Okay, yeah, diamonds doesn't exist, CSV. Now let's run it again. Yeah, now finally we got the output. See here what we are doing, we are getting the average price per color as from this data set. We are doing a group by and order by color. So this, in this way you can query your data into a Databricks notebook. So I'll show you one more thing. Okay, you can visualize your data also, right? I'll show you how to visualize it. Yeah, if you click over here and click on visualization, it will show you one new tab. See, it will so in this way also you can visualize your data. So here you can provide your X column, Y column, okay, everything you can provide, and color, count, yes, color, price. Let's get average one. Okay, so this is the average price per color. So you can group by price, and you can provide the legend, like legend means naming. Okay, this color name A, B, C, D are there, right? Over this is the legend. Normal. Now normalize we don't need, so missing values and null values. Here you can see the, like you can work with this like x-axis, y-axis. If you want to reverse order, you can click over here, it will reverse the order. So it depends, you can play with these settings. Okay, so in this way you can visualize the data. Okay, and one more thing I'll show you. I won't save it. No, I don't want to. Yes, yes. After that, if you want to get the profile, like what is the standard deviation of this, like there is one more option called data profile. So if you click on data profile, let's get the job finished. Okay, it's running, fetching. Yeah, see now, like it see, it's very useful, this data profile. I like this. Like it's categorizing, it's showing the categorical features, numerical features, is price, categorical is color. So count 7, there are no missing values, mean, standard average, everything. See, it even show you the like visualization also. Over here it is showing count 7, unique 7, top E, frequent top 1, everything. See, everything it will show. So it's a very useful, Databricks is very useful to analyze and process your data. Also you can be used for the visualization. So that's all for guys today. So in the next video I'll come with a new demo. Skip